Hello there, my name is Laura and this is Cabbage Patch Soap. Welcome to my channel. As you can see, I have another video here that encountered some technical difficulties while I was recording. This is fig soap. It smells amazing. It's very fresh and kind of a, I don't know, like a fruity green fragrance. It's difficult to describe, but it smells really good. So all the making of footage was unfortunately lost, but I did manage to save this footage of me cutting it. So here I am lining it up to slice it. It has a really pretty, almost pearlescent top. And I made this using an in the pot swirl method. I really like how it turned out. I think it has almost a ghosty or otherworldly look to it. It's very, very pretty. The green is very pale and the purple is very, it's very pale also, but somehow has a nice contrast. I think it goes really great with the fragrance. And each one of these bars came out really nice. They're very wispy and swirly and pretty. And then of course these are the two end pieces, which I will cut up later. If you like green fragrances or fragrances that have fruity notes and smell very fresh, this is a really good choice. And here they are after I took pictures of them. Thank you for watching. Please consider giving this a like and subscribing, and have a great day.